ZANU-PF has retained its grip on two parliamentary constituencies, Gutu East and Insiza North, following controversial by-elections held on June 14, with the political observers noting that in Insiza, the ruling party effectively contested against itself. Tsanapira mashoko uno konzi ZANU yowina sarudzo dzakazvikwikwiza iri yoga. Ribo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnomo blanyo mchinsi. In Insiza North, Delani Moyo of ZANU-PF was declared the duly elected member of parliament after garnering 1,131 votes ahead of Tavani Muloshwa of ZAPU party and with 714 votes. However, what raises eyebrows was the presence of two other candidates, Bonini Moyo of the ZNR party and Leslie Dube, an independent, who polled 131 and 1,187 votes respectively. Leslie Dube, a non-ZANU-PF affiliate, ran as an independent after being controversially barred from contesting under the party banner during internal selection processes. This effectively turned the race into an intra-party showdown, with ZANU-PF splitting its vote between its official candidates and a disgruntled member of opposition parties struggled to make an impact. The official declaration form signed by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission SEC, Constituency Elections Officer Dube Evaini Zelemei, confirmed Delani Moyo as the winner. The document showed 84 rejected ballots and a voter turnout of 35.8%. Meanwhile, in Gutu East, ZANU-PF Zvariwa Shema Zvingise clinched a sweeping victory with 9,321 votes, far ahead of independent candidates Gift Gonese, who received 2.269 votes. The NCA Zivana Njenga came a distant third with 173 votes. The results were announced by ZEC constituency officer Ernest Mukwidwa, who also reported 194 rejected ballots and a 48.3% turnout. Both by-elections were triggered by recalls of sitting MPs Benjamin Ganyiwa in Gutu and internal leadership dispute in Insiza. Yomashuka rubuda panguva ine tinoona kuti ZANU-PF aiwa iri kuwina zvayo sarudzo zvainenge kunzi aiwa yaingokontesta zvayo yoga. Tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu nzwa mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.